Barnyard Daycare.
Welcome to Barnyard Daycare. Are you ready to help Farmer Mia and Farmer Milo feed all the adorable baby animals?
Howdy, friend! You're just in time to help us feed Baby Pig.
He needs to eat his groovy green grapes so he can find his groove and dance, dance, dance.
Oh, poor Baby Pig. Are you okay?
You're having trouble dancing, huh? Well, not to worry. You just need some groovy green grapes to help you find the rhythm.
Oh, quick, golly gosh!
The groovy grapes have lost their green color.
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig find the missing green color? Great. Let's try this color. Did we turn the grapes green? No, that's orange. We should pick another color. What about this color? Is this the color green? That's the color brown, but maybe it's this color? Great work, gang! You got it! You found the groovy grapes' green color.
You're finally feeling the groove, aren't you, Baby Pig?
It's time to feed our friend Baby Pony. Yeehaw! She needs to eat some red whistling watermelon so she can whistle a beautiful tune. Don't give up, Baby Pony. Whistling is really tricky.
Maybe some red whistling watermelon will help you find your whistle. Race and rodeos! The whistling watermelon has lost its red color.
We need to help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the missing red color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color red? No, that's orange. Let's try another color. What about this color? Is this the color red? No, that's yellow. Maybe we should try this color. Wahoo! You did it! You found the whistling watermelon's missing red color.
Want to try whistling again, Baby Pony?
Hey, Baby Pony! We're on our way to feed Baby Goat.
She needs to eat her purple crafty cauliflower so she can come up with an amazing idea for her painting. Oh, are you having trouble thinking of something to paint, little goat?
Don't worry, Baby Goat. Once you have some purple crafty cauliflower, you'll have a ton of ideas for what to paint. Chirping chickens!
The crafty cauliflower is missing its purple color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the crafty cauliflower's missing purple color. Does this look like purple? No, that's yellow. Let's try this one. Is this purple? No, I'm not seeing purple. I'm seeing green. We should try this one. Is this the color purple? Pow! You picked it! You found the crafty cauliflower's missing purple color.
Now that Baby Goat's had a bite of purple crafty cauliflower, she's gonna feel so inspired and ready to paint.
Barnyard Daycare.
The baby farm animals are hungry. Let's help farmers Mia and Milo feed our baby animal friends.
Howdy, I'm Milo.
And I'm Mia. Time to feed Baby Pig his jammin' orange carrot cake so he can play a fantastic farm song. Aww, it's okay, itty bitty baby pig. Don't cry.
Is somebody hungry? Does somebody want his jammin' orange carrot cake?
Zoe, patty cakes! The jammin' orange carrot cake lost its orange color!
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig find the missing orange color? Great! Let's try this color. Is this the color orange? No, that's purple. Here's another color. Is this orange? That's blue. We'll need to try again. What about this color? Well, bless my barn. You got it. You found the jammin' carrot cake's orange color.
Now Baby Pig can play his fantastic farm song. We've got to get Baby Pony her prancing purple potato pie so she could dance like a ballerina.
Little baby pony, that was quite a tumble. Are you hurt?
Oh, you're just feeling a little frustrated, aren't you?
Oh, don't worry, baby pony.
We brought you a prancing purple potato pie so you can finally twirl and leap like a real ballerina. How perplexing! Where could the purple possibly be?
We need to help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the missing purple color. Let's try this color first. Is this the right color? No, that's not purple. That's green. We need to pick again. What about this color? Is this purple? No, that's red. But what about this color? Perfect! That's it! You found the prancing potato pie's purple color.
Wow, Baby Pony! You're gonna be a real ballerina in no time!
Barnyard Daycare.
Time to feed the barnyard babies. Let's help Mia and Milo get all the baby farm animals the food they need.
Hey, you! We're just about to go feed Baby Goat.
She needs to eat her goofy green guacamole so she can make us laugh and laugh. Come with us.
Oh, Baby Goat, are you already being a little silly?
Ready for your goofy green guacamole? Then you can think of all kinds of ways to make us laugh.
Here you go. Oh, goodness gracious. The green color is gone.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the goofy guacamole's missing green color. Is this the color green? No, that's red. Let's try another one. What about this color? Is this green? Not quite. That's orange. We need to keep searching. What about this color? Genius, gang! You got it. You found the goofy guacamole's green color.
Baby Goat is finally ready to be the silliest baby on the farm. We're on our way to feed Baby Pig.
We need some orange melody mango so he can hit the stage and sing, sing.
is sounding so sweet, Baby Pig.
And once you have some orange melody mango, you'll be able to sing like a little piggy pop star.
Oh, for A's sake, the orange melody mango has lost its orange color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig need your help finding the missing orange color. Is this the color orange? No, that's green. We should try another color. What about this one? Did we find orange? No, that's red. Let's try this color. Hooray! You got it! You found the Melody Mango's missing orange color.
Now that you've had your orange melody mango, you'll be a singing sensation.
Wait.
We're gonna feed Baby Pony. Come with us. She needs some jam and yellow yucca fries so she can play beautiful songs on the banjo.
Oh, you want to try playing my banjo, Baby Pony? Well, sure. Don't be sad, Baby Pony. You just need to practice.
And you need some jam and yellow yucca fries, too! Rooster feathers! The jam and yucca fries are missing their yellow color!
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the missing yellow color? Great! Let's try this color first. Is this the color yellow? Not quite. That's pink. We need to pick again. Is the yucca yellow now? No, that's purple. But what about this color? Yeehaw! You did it! You found the jam and yucca fries missing yellow color.
Yippee! Ready to give it another try, Baby Pony?
It's time to feed our friend Baby Goat. Let's go. She needs her green super spinning salsa to help her land her awesome spinning ballet move.
That was a great try, Baby Goat. You'll land that amazing spin soon. I know it.
And guess what we brought to help? Your green super spinning salsa. It'll help you do the best spin you ever spun.
Muffin hay bales! The super spinning salsa is missing its green color!
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the super spinning salsa's green color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color green? No, that's red. We need to try a different color. What about this one? Is this the color green? Looks like we picked blue. Let's try to find green one more time. Twirlerific! That's it! You found the super spinning salsa's missing green color.
Now that you've had some green super spinning salsa, you can spin and spin without knocking down your castle.
Barnyard Daycare.
It's another beautiful day down at the Barnyard Daycare. Let's help Farmer Mia and Farmer Milo feed all our cute baby animal friends.
Wanna help us feed Baby Pig? He needs to eat his magical orange mango so he can do an amazing magic trick!
Ooh, Baby Pig, are you trying to do the disappearing flower trick?
Aw, don't get discouraged, Baby Pig. Learning a magic trick takes a lot of practice.
And a bite of magical orange mango will help too.
Well, bless my barn! The magical mango has lost its orange color!
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig find the missing orange color? Great! Let's try this color. Did we turn the mango orange? No, that's blue. We should pick another color. What about this color? Is this the color orange? No, that's the color red. Let's try this color. Is this orange? Me oh my, you got it! You found the magical mango's missing orange color.
Now that he's had some magical orange mango, Baby Pig's trick is sure to work. We're on our way to feed our friend, Baby Goat.
Let's giddy up and goat! She needs to eat a rhythmic red salsa before she does her salsa dance. Oh, Baby Goat is so cute when she dances.
Hiya, you little itty-bitty baby goat. Guess what? We brought you your favorite rhythmic red salsa with
Tortilla chips!
this red salsa will help you dance even better. Here you go. Oh!
Oh no! The rhythmic salsa's red color is gone!
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the rhythmic salsa's red color. Is this the color red? No, that's blue. Let's keep trying. What about this one? Is this red? No, that's the color pink. We need to try again. What about this color? Yeehaw! That's it! You found the rhythmic salsa's red color.
Now you can salsa dance all day long.
Giddy up, gang! We're on our way to feed Baby Goat!
She needs some yummy red robo radishes so she can do the robot dance. There, there, there.
Oh no, Mia! Our sweet little Baby Goat turned into a goat butt!
There, We'll get your battery charged for robot dancing with some red robo radishes.
Oh, racing rodeos! The red robo radishes have lost their red color!
We need to help Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat find the missing red color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color red? No, that's brown. We need to try a different color. Did we find the color red? No, that's yellow. But what about this one? Yeehaw! You did it! You found the robo radish's missing red color.
Now Baby Goat can power up her robot dance!
Come on! We're gonna go feed Baby Goat. She needs to eat her pink posing power pomegranate so she can do amazing poses for her photo shoot. Hiya, baby goat. Looks like you're almost ready for your photo shoot.
You just need one more thing. A pink power pomegranate to help you pose.
Rooster feathers!
The pomegranate's pink color. It's gone.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the power pomegranate's missing pink color. Is this the color pink? No, that's orange. We need to pick again. Did we find the color pink? No, that's green. Let's try another color. Did we find the color pink? Hoppin' hay bales! You did it! You found the posing power pomegranate's pink color.
Yee-haw! Now Baby Goat can do the perfect poses for her photo shoot. It's time to feed our friend, Baby Goat. She needs her yellow climbing corn cobs so she can climb to the tippy top of the tallest mountain.
Hiya, sweet baby. How'd your haystack get stacked like that?
That's way too high for a baby to climb, unless she eats some yellow climbing corn cobs first. Here you go.
Oh, yikes! The climbing corn cobs have lost their yellow color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the climbing corn cob's missing yellow color. Is this the color yellow? No, that's not yellow, that's orange. Let's try again. Is this the color yellow? No, that's purple. Maybe we can try this color. Yippee! You got it! You found the climbing corn cob's missing yellow color.
Now that you've had some yellow climbing corn cobs, you're ready to climb to the top of the world! Go, Baby Goat, go! It's time to feed our friend Baby Pig.
He needs to eat some red sprouting salsa to help his flowers grow.
Whoa, it looks like someone's flowers are taking a while to sprout.
Then it's a good thing we brought you this red sprouting salsa.
Oh.
They've been lassos. The sprouting salsa has lost its red color.
We've got to find the sprouting salsa's missing red color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color red? No, that's blue. How about we try a new color? Did we find the color red? No, that's yellow. Let's try a new color. What about this one? Yippee! You did it! You found the sprouting salsa's missing red color.
Now that he's had some red sprouting salsa, Baby Pig's flowers are gonna grow and grow.
Barnyard Daycare.
Ooh-lee! It's another beautiful day at Barnyard Daycare. You're just in time to help Mia and Milo feed our baby animal friends.
Well, hey there! Milo and I are on our way to feed Baby Pony.
we're bringing her some spin-around brown brownies so she can get her hoop to spin just right.
Yay! Aw, don't cry, baby pony. It's not easy to get a hoop spinning.
That's why we brought you some spin-around brown brownies so you can get that hoop spinning round and round. Well, bless my barn. The spin-around brown brownies have lost their brown color.
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the missing brown color? Great! Let's try this color. Is this the color brown? No, that's pink. Let's try a different color. Did we turn the brownies brown? No, we turned those brownies blue. What if we picked this color? Bingo! That's brown. You found the spin-around brownies missing brown color.
Now that you've had a bite of those brownies, you'll be spinning that hoop in no time. We're moseying on over to feed Baby Goat.
She needs her yippee yellow yucca fries so she'll feel brave enough to go down a big slide.
Look at this little cutie. Are you ready to go down the slide, Baby Goat?
Oh, poor little goat. We know you're nervous. That's why we brought you some yippee yellow yucca fries.
One little bite, and you'll be ready to zip down that slide yelling, Yippee! Yikes! The Yippee Yucca fries have lost their yellow color!
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the Yippee Yucca fries' missing yellow color. Is this the color yellow? No, that's blue. Let's try another color. Did we turn the yucca yellow? We didn't. That's pink. We'll have to try another color. What about this one? Yeehaw! You did it! You found the Yippee Yucca fries' missing yellow color.
Now Baby Goat can finally give that big slide a try.
Now it's time to feed Baby Goat.
She needs her green garden guacamole so she can get her plants to grow. She's more focused than a bee in a flower field.
Someone's excited for her flowers to grow, and we have just the thing to help those beauties sprout. Your green garden guacamole. Oh, for hay's sake, the guacamole lost its green color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the garden guacamole's missing green color. Is this the color green? No, that's yellow. Let's try another color. What about this color? Is this green? No, that's blue. Maybe it's this color? Yeehaw! That's it! You found the garden guacamole's missing green color.
Now that she has her green garden guacamole, Baby Goat can really make her garden grow.
Great job feeding all the baby animals today. Y'all come back to the barnyard real soon.
You can ask your parents to subscribe to Nick Jr.'s Blues Clues and You YouTube channel for new Barnyard Daycare videos every week. And find more of your favorite shows on Nickelodeon.